Now that's what I'm talking about.
Hi Samsung, welcome back to another video. So it's Sunday and I'm currently in South Florida and I'm tasked with making Sunday dinner. So I'm gonna make Fricassee chicken. You guys probably call it brown stew chicken or fry and cook down, anything. And I'm gonna do some gungo rice and peas, and I thought, why not capture the process? So if you guys are interested, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. So let's go. It's currently raining, so I'll have that beautiful sound while cooking. I have this gungo peas, and then I have the coconut milk grace. So the pot is on for the chicken, and I have the gungo here with the coconut milk, pepper, scallion, salt. This is the chicken. I seasoned it from yesterday. You know, your regular seasoning: onion, scallion, thyme, sweet pepper, and that was marinating. So I'm just gonna fry it and then cook it down. I have some washed rice that I'm gonna pour into the pot. The chicken is supposed to look like this brown after you take them out. Look at this. Okay? And then we have the rice going on here. The chicken is almost finished frying. I have the rice. It's steaming. And then I have these few pieces left. Coming down quite nicely. Yes. Yes. I feel like cooking is so much easier when you season the chicken from before, because the process of washing and cleaning just take forever. No, I don't know about you guys, but I don't like using back this oil, so I need to get this oil disposed of, and then I'll start to cook the chicken down, and then I'll be pretty much done. Like, if I never season chicken, it would have take forever, but because I have to clean it up. Most of these were cut already, so I never had to do that part. But imagine cutting, cleaning, washing, seasoning. That made the cooking process that much longer. But yeah, I'm gonna get this wash because yeah, we can't use that oil. The pot is clean and ready to go again. I'm gonna saute the veggies, then put back the chicken and let it cook down real nice. This is the rice. I look very bad. The chicken cooking down nicely. I probably needed a bigger pot, I don't know. I'm going to add some ketchup. I wanted to add carrots with honey, so this will have to work. You see, I can hardly get in the pot. So the rice is done. And the chicken is done too. This is what I'm talking about. Guys, we're all done. Moment of truth. This is what I'm talking about. Chef's kiss. If you guys made it this far, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and keep supporting your girls. Peace. Would you? You have to give me a rating. Pause that.
5%.
No say you have to give me a rating.
You are.
The food.
Yeah, man, food good. Yeah. You see me eat food and lick out my finger. Yeah, man.